Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to our English class. What we have learned in the last class, did you remember that? Yes, the lesson, The Kind-Hearted Village. Did you remember the story? Okay. So, first of all, I will revise the lesson once again. Okay. What was the name of the merchant in this story? Mohanlal. And what is the name of the poor man? Ramu. Then what happened for Mohanlal? Yes, once in days, Mohanlal was traveling by a train. That time he felt thirsty and he get down from the train and go in search of water. That time he will miss the train. He ran fast but he could not get the train. That day he decided that he want to stay that place and he went for search a room for stay. But that village, he searched the entire village, but he could not got any room in a lodge. He got any vacant room in any lodge. He didn't got that. So at last he reached a small, neatly kept hut. And he knocked on the door of the hut. A poor man, Ramu, opened the door. That time Mohanlal explained his whole story, what actually happened. Then he explained all his problems to Ramu and he requested Ramu that he wanted to stay that night. He wanted a room to stay for staying. He asked a room. So Ramu agreed. That night Ramu's wife Sarla served Mohanlal a homely cooked meal. Okay. This portion we already take for the previous class. Okay. So today we will take the another part of this lesson. The page number 38. Look at your textbook. Before going to bed. So, shall we start this paragraph? Okay. Before going to bed, Mohanlal politely thanked Ramu for all that he had done and asked, "How much should I pay you?" Ramu said that he did not want any money in return. Soon, a rich man came to Ramu's house and demanded that his debts be paid off immediately. Ramu begged him for some more time. Realizing that Ramu was badly in need of money, Mohanlal quietly left a packet in his room before leaving the next morning. In the packet, there was some money and a note for Ramu saying, "You helped me without expecting anything in return. Last week, I came to know that you were in need of money. Please accept this as my thanks for your help." Okay. Before going to bed, Mohanlal politely thanked Ramu for all that he had done and asked. So, before going to bed, that means before going to sleep, Mohanlal politely thanked Ramu. For what? He gave a space to stay that night. Okay, and give food. So, everything Mohanlal thanked politely for Ramu. And Mohanlal also asked Ramu, "How much should I pay for you? How much money should I pay for you for that? For food, for room for stay? how much should I pay for you? Ramu said that he did not want any money in return. So, Ramu did not accept anything in return from Mohanlal. He did not accept anything. So, Ramu said that he did not want any money for this. Okay. And that time, suddenly, a rich man came to Ramu's house. A rich man. That time, a rich man came to Ramu's house. And he demanded that his debt be paid off immediately. So, Ramu bought some money from that rich man, but Ramu did not give that money. He did not want anything in his hand. He did not want anything. So Ramu did not give that money for the rich man. So he asked his debts. Debts mean amount overdue. Debts means amount overdue. So he asked the debt. The rich man asked the debt from Ramu, but he did not have anything in his hands, and Ramu begged that rich man. He gave more time. Okay, he needs some time to pay that debt. So Ramu asked the rich man for some more time. Okay. This problem understood Mohanlal. He realized that Ramu's problem. What is the Ramu's problem? Ramu was badly in need of money. So Ramu wanted money. Mohanlal realized that Ramu wants money, but he did not ask any money from anyone. So for the first time Mohanlal asked that how much he paid. That time Ramu said that he did not want anything in return. So Ramu is a poor man and is a kind man. Okay, he did not accept anything in return from others. So Mohanlal realized Ramu's problem. He wants money. Ramu wants money. That problem Mohanlal realized. Then what was Mohanlal do? He quietly left a packet in his room. Quietly, silently. Okay. So quietly left a packet. Okay, a packet in the room before he leaving the next morning. Okay, Mohanlal വീട്ടിൽ നിന്ന് പോകുന്നതിന്റെ അന്ന് രാവിലെ അതിനു മുൻപ് he left a packet in his room. Okay, silently, quietly he left a packet in the room before leaving the next morning. So in the packet there was some money. So in the packet there was some money and a note. That means a letter. Okay, the packet contained some money and a letter. And in the letter, Mohanlal wrote that. What was he wrote? Mohanlal wrote that you helped me. Okay, Ramu helped me without expecting anything in return. So Mohanlal wrote that you helped me without expecting anything in return. Okay, last evening I came to know that you were in need of money. Please accept this as my thanks for your help. This is written by the letter. So Mohanlal left a packet in the room. In Ramu's house, the room, Mohanlal left a packet, and that packet contained some money and a note. Note means letter. That letter Mohanlal wrote that Ramu helped a lot. And he do more for Mohanlal, but he did not expecting anything, did not expect any money in return. So Mohanlal realized Ramu's problem. So I gave the money for your help. Okay, and this money concept that it's a thanks for your help. That is written in the letter, the note. Okay, this is the story about Ramu and Mohanlal. Okay, I hope all of you understood the story very well. So please read the story. Okay, thank you. See you.